One sec. I'm trying to learn here. And it's really hard to do it on camera. Welcome back, everybody. Today we'll be unboxing the Walmart beauty box for the season summer. Yeah, so every 3 months you get charged $6.98, and yeah, let's unbox the summer box. So first thing that you receive in your little box is a pamphlet, and it does show you a not collage, but a little assortment of things that you could potentially receive in your box. But this is my first box signing up, so I didn't really get a whole lot of what's on here, but that's okay. What I did receive was actually pretty cool. I think, unfortunately, you only get these per season, so 4 times a year, unfortunately, because this box was pretty kind of like, I wish it was every month because this box be boxing. Okay, so let's just get into it. So the first item that is not on a little card is Sally Hansen Sally FX Perfect Manicure. They are almond nails in Rose and Shine. Oh, get it, like Rise and Shine. Oh, knee slapper.
Nice.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I will put the prices on the screen and show you the retail estimated retail value. The next item, I'll be saying that a lot, is this Bondi Sands, the Australian Tan. You are not going to be able to see any of that. It says the full size is $15.98 for 5 ounces, and we only receive 1.35. So, yeah, okay. That's that. Next item is this, the Shop Face Wash Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. It's focusing on me. It's focusing on me. Full size, $9.97 for a 4 ounce. This is 1 fluid ounce. Nice. So you get 1 fluid ounce in this little duty, this creature. The fourth item is this Mega Babe Thigh Rescue. Full size, $13.97, 2.1 ounce, and we get a 0.81 ounce. Shall we open it? If I can. Oh, nope. Oh, there goes my nail polish. Ooh, it melted everywhere. But yeah, it's just a clear balm. Looks like deodorant. Honestly, you could probably just use deodorant as like a anti-friction stick. Oh, I don't know if I said that. It's a Mega Babe Thigh Rescue anti-friction stick. Sorry, I mentioned that. Kind of melted everywhere, but yeah, it's just nice and clear. Okay, next item. Oh, should I show you how much you get, maybe? Maybe that'll be like nice to kind of see if you were to get this size. Okay, you get a lot. Yeah, that's all you get in this little container, and it's pretty. That's a good chunk of. A good chunk. Oh yeah, it's like pure silicone almost. But that's cool. Just rolling it down, rolling it down. Okay. And then, oh, I probably should have mentioned this first, but you do get this cute little Walmart bag with tassels. There's the logo, and then in the back it looks like there's like, excuse me, watermelon seeds. Yep, smells like plastic. And then the interior is just black. But I think that's pretty cute. Throw all my little stuff in there. And then the last item, which I think is pretty cool, it's one of my favorite things in the box, is this Splat Instant Color Highlights. Ooh, just reflection of the camera. It's hair chalk. I think that is so cool. Let's see what you get though. Okay, so last item, you get this little sponge. There we go. Get this little sponge. And then this, oh, I forgot to tell you the color it's in. It's in Midnight Blue. It's in Midnight Blue. That is so cool. That's what it looks like. It looks like a little eyeshadow. Well, not little, but it's a big, big guy, but it looks like eyeshadow. So all they say, let's test it out, yeah? This video will probably be really short, so let's just test it out. Get a little piece of my hair. It says to use hairspray to set it, but I'm not doing that, but. So you lay your hair, oh, I guess I should do the other side, huh? Lay your hair in it, and then you put the sponge on one side. And you just, oh, can you even see it? Oh, I got a little bit. Let me try it again. One sec, I'm trying to learn here, and it's really hard to do it on camera. Let's try it again. Ah! Oh, it just made my hair super frizzy. Oh, that is so cool. I like that. Oh, I have blue tips. It's hard to see on camera, but she's, oh, there you go. She's definitely blue. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, dye my hair blue. Just kidding. I won't do that, but I think that is super cute. Oh, I got all of my hands. Just wiping my hands. Yeah, I'll just put the little sponge in there and close it. But yep, that's it for the Walmart Beauty Box. I would say that is, dare I say, better than Ipsy. Ooh, I said it! Ah! Okay. Subscribe!